Switch on your computer. Yeah. Start inserting the password. Then press enter. Now good in IT, you can secure now your computer by setting password. Now today we're going to see how we study Microsoft Word. You go on search, then reads M. Now you're going to see now you are seeing now Microsoft Word. You press enter. Now this is this paper. This is where you're going to read text, where you can read text, where you can put now inside the table. Now you extend to make the paper big. Write the title of the document. Write. We have to do now the list of employees. List the space of employees. You see? Now here you can put now the headings here. Put the headings. You see now the headings. This is smart. See the headings? Now down of the headings, down of the title, this is where you're going to put now the table. You go on insert menu, press on the table. Now you're going to see now insert, draw table, insert table, draw table. So you prefer now insert. Now you're seeing now the small table where you're going to put small table where you're seeing now number of columns, number of rows. You put now the number of column you want, depending on the list you're going to do. Let us put a 3. And you put a 2. You put a 4. What will be the column on the list? Then you click on OK. Now we are seeing the table here. You press the enter now to separate the text with the table. Now you're going to place now to insert now the number. This is where you put the number. You put NO. This is the number. And you put the names. Names. You can put the names. Here you can put now the age. Ages of employees. Now you start entering 1. So entering 1. You put now the names, for example, Olivier. You put now the age, you put 27 maybe. The number 2, this is the second employee. You put now Charles. Put the Charles. You put a start or 50. You put now David. Start capital letter. So David. You put a 22. David. Put 22H. Now this is the list you are now doing. This is the list. Now down of the list, you can confirm what you have done. It's now done by Olivier IT manager. Down you can put now the signature, and you put whatever another things you want to confirm. You put the signature. See the rest. Now you check the spelling. You go on the review, you go on spelling and grammar. Then you click on ignore. Click yes. Click OK. That's the spelling correct. This is the list we have done. Now here you can do another things like you can put now inside the border. Put the border. This is the layout. If you want to design your document, you can put page color. You can put a border. You can put watermark. So you can go in the border. Let us put in the border. Inside the border, you border. You go here. You go here down. Go here down. You prefer now the decoration you want. You prefer this. You go on the whole document. You place if you want to design the first page. Now you create the first page only. Then you click OK. Now you see now the border exists. You see now the border exists. This is a good paper. So in this Microsoft Word you can study a lot of things. But on next we study how to insert a watermark. We will study how to treat big text. We study different things. Then after I will show you how to insert the table in Microsoft Excel. When you start Excel, I will show you how to insert the table Excel also. Thank you for following Olivier, and thank you for watching my lessons. This is for today, but the next lessons I will show you another special things. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.